Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Elgato Green Screen XL. First, let's get it out of the box and ready to go. You'll learn how to position it perfectly, ensuring your background is completely covered. We'll also cover essential lighting techniques to eliminate shadows and achieve a smooth, even color. Finally, I'll guide you through camera adjustments for a flawless chroma key, making your streams and videos look professional and polished. Setting up the Elgato Green Screen XL is incredibly simple. Just place the sturdy aluminum case on a flat surface, then open the latches. Gently pull the handle upwards, and the screen will smoothly rise to its full height, which is over 6 feet tall and nearly 5 feet wide. Make sure the fabric is taut and free of any wrinkles. Position it approximately 2 to 3 feet behind your subject for optimal depth and coverage. Proper lighting is crucial for a clean chroma key. Use 2 softbox lights, positioning one on each side of the green screen. Aim them at a 45-degree angle, ensuring the entire screen is evenly lit without shadows or bright spots. For your camera, set the white balance manually to achieve accurate color. Adjust your exposure carefully to prevent the green from appearing too dark or too bright, which can hinder the keying process. To achieve the best chroma key, ensure your subject is consistently 2 to 3 feet from the screen. This helps prevent green spill, where the screen's color reflects onto your subject. In your streaming software, apply a chroma key filter and select the green color. Carefully adjust the similarity, smoothness, and spill reduction settings. Aim for a clean, crisp edge around your subject without any green halo, making your virtual background look seamless and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.